Hey guys, and today it's a short video on writing plain text using ISOMERIC GRID. So let's get it started. So firstly, download this ISOMERIC GRID. I have dropped a link in the description of this video, so you can download it for free. And it's a Illustrator file, so just double click and open it in Illustrator and lock this layer and follow along for the rest of the tutorial. It is pretty simple. Just I'm using pen tool. I will just write some text. Actually some text, I think just 4 letters. First T, then E, then X, and again T. So firstly just write T using pen tool. Follow along the tutorials and just some clicks using on the intersection point of the grid, and then just write E again in the same fashion. Just write X again for the letter T. I am not going to write it again, just duplicate the first T. Just click, hold option key and drag, it will duplicate the first T, and it's done. And after writing, just apply the gradient in all the letters. Just select all the letters and using the gradient tool, just select which gradient like, or make it custom, or make some custom gradient. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next, and feel free to subscribe this channel for more awesome community tutorials. And thank you.